Hey, lovelies. One of the things that really grind my gears is that you see these ads for coaches, coaching systems, coaching programs, coach training, coaching funnels, templates, all that good stuff. And a lot of you will go and buy them, right? And then you get the system, and the system does not necessarily work for you. And you're trying to wrap your head around, why is it not working for me? Why did it work for this other person that I bought it from? And I'm not getting results, right? And you start comparing yourself. Then you start to think it's something that you did wrong, or you start thinking, well, maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe I didn't try hard enough. Maybe I'm not motivated enough. You'll go back to the person that sold you the system. They'll say, oh, you want me to help you jumpstart it? You want coaching? Then now here, buy more from me. This is the funnel, how they do it. They sell you a system, then they sell you a higher price system or program, then they sell you even more stuff at a higher price. Until what you really wind up getting is access to their influence, their network, and them introducing you to other people to help you get exposure. Ultimately, that's what you wind up really paying for, depending on how much money you have to invest and how much you want to keep going. And I think that that's what bothers me a lot because, as a coach, I am a coach. I do have a program. I do have a funnel. I do have a system. I do have accredited training. Accredited, right? And that's one of the things that distinguish me from other coaches. But what distinguishes me from other programs is that I don't promise you something that you don't get. You get what's in your contract. You get what I tell you that I am selling to make it your own. However, what I see in a lot of these ads and what a lot of you guys have come back to me with is, I tried this system, it didn't work. I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars on learning. I don't want to spend any more. That's because you feel like you got. But what did you really pay for? So when you look at their ad and you break down the message, what did you pay for? They say, I'm going to teach you how my system works. I'm going to teach you how I learned the way to earn or get 50 clients, 100 clients a month. Here's my proven system that got me 8 figures. What you're paying for is a peek behind the curtain. What you're paying for is to see how somebody else did what they did in order to become successful as they defined success. And then they entice you with their beautiful vacation spot, which you do know if you go on any vacation, you could take pictures. Or their beautiful property, which if you got friends in real estate, you can always do a quick photo shoot at an open house. Or you can rent a Airbnb and make it look like you got a lot going on. I'm just saying. Right? You can rent a car. Right? So I'm saying all to say, they show you all these beautiful little sites, and then you feel, oh, they must have made it, and I want that too. So I'm going to buy their program, their system, their funnel, their teachings, their services, so that I can be them. But here's the thing. They have teams, they have a marketing strategy, they have a business strategy, they have attorneys, they have money to buy ads. And I'm not talking about $100, $200, even $500 a month. We're talking $10,000 a month, $20,000 a month just in social media ad. They have money to be on commercial or the news or TV. It's really not that expensive if you want the truth. So they have things in place that you may not in order to execute the system. So while you pay for the system, you're not getting how to execute it. Because technically how to execute depends on you, your network, your motivation, your investment, your money, your knowledge, your experience. So I want you to think about that the next time you see these ads, including my ad. What are you buying? What do you think you're buying? Usually you're buying a peek behind the curtain. Understand what you are purchasing when you're trying to develop your coaching practice or your coaching business or whatever you want to do. The other part I'm going to say is nobody actually gets successful with just pure coaching, not at that high influencer level, but just pure coaching. Most people, they have a Patreon, they sell shirts and they sell mugs and they sell some kind of other thing. They have a subscription plan. They have be part of the private community. They have books. They teach. They do public speaking. They do workshops. They have their own programs that you can go to their website to get. Like they have multiple streams of income that come back to their full brand, right? And like I said, they have teams. So how are you going to make their system work when you don't have all of the components that help them execute their system? So you're paying for the info, but you're not paying how to execute the info. So I just wanted you to be clear. Know what you're paying for. Make sure that you're clear about what you're buying. All right, you guys, go out there and create awesome sauce for yourself and for others. And I really do want you to be successful.